In my garage, everything has its place, including my helmets. So when this helmet holder was sent to me to check out and give my opinion of, I was thrilled because now I have a place to keep my helmets up out of the way, and not only my helmets, but also some riding accessories as well with these gloves. Now, this came in a flat pack case, super easy to assemble. Everything went together as you would hope it would. There was no having to finagle and bend things around. This went together very easily. The instructions were fantastic. It all goes together with some Allen screws, but then it also comes with these clips that hang on this rod right here. And what those can do is hold your gloves or any other accessories. And on this side, it's got these S hooks that hang so you can hang things from there. Underneath the helmets, if you look, this is how it works. So there is just a flat piece of wood up here that's beveled and rounded. It comes down on a pole, and that just supports the helmet perfectly on there. And then, of course, you could also even put another helmet here or riding accessories. You could put some boots up here if you like. But this thing is fantastic. It comes with all the wall anchors you need and everything else. So this is a great way to organize your garage, keep your helmets up off the ground, clean, safe, and easily organized. So if you're looking for something to straighten out your garage, particularly for helmets, check this one out.